Generating high quality leads has never been so important for B2B organizations. And the way we do it is still evolving. Our lead generation experts have pulled together 7 tips for executing the most effective lead generation strategies ahead of 2021. Use these ideas to fuel your plan and future-proof your new business strategy. Oh, let's consider it. Why using a tool? Through relevant content, people are reaching out to your company. They become a lead if they get interested in what you're offering. Unfortunately, even with the most engaging material, having new leads is easier said than done. So let's look back on 2020. Start by reflecting on what worked for your business in 2020 and most importantly, what didn't. It's been a year of uncertainty with lots of changes in the B2B world. And to always be improving in the future, we need to learn from marketing activity of the past. Let's begin. We'll be looking at these strategies one by one. You can opt all or any of them according to your brand's need. Number 1. Start with email marketing. 59% of marketers point to email as being their best channel for revenue generation. And that is a proven fact. Try doing that. Use cold emails or simple email marketing tools. Number 2. High quality content marketing. High quality case studies, infographics, ebooks, white papers, webinars, and podcasts can be used, and these are actually useful. Number 3. Automate your lead generation with chatbots. With bots, you can reach out to a large number of customers that do not hamper the effectiveness of your sales team. Number 4. Use social media as lead generation ideas. Social media channels can serve as one of the best lead generation channels. It helps to build the face value of your brand. Businesses grew by 24% by using social media for lead generation. I personally use it too. Number 5. Put your website at the center of your strategy. For too long, B2B marketers have ignored the power of their websites. In 2021, your business website is the B2B equivalent of the high street shop window. So, yours needs to be a central focus of your strategy, a hub of engaging content that keeps your visitors coming back for more. Number 6. You have access to a data environment, so why don't you use it? To generate the best leads, you need to know exactly who your audience is and what they best respond to. From your existing customers and your website analytics to your one-time website visitors and your digital marketing campaign results, you have a bounty of vital data at your fingerprints. Try using Google Analytics. It's at least free for the beginners. Number 7. Recognize the shifting SEO environment. You must first customize your website to satisfy the online search needs of B2B buyers in order to generate leads. There's a lot to consider, from a rise in voice, visual and mobile search, to the increasing demand for SEAR Place Zero. SEO has changed. Just don't get left behind. So, I hope that you will include all these tips and strategies in your business marketing plan. If you want a dedicated plan, amazing landing pages and responsive websites, social media marketing services, and more digital services, contact us. And most importantly, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.